Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to insert a dial in articulate storyline, and it is very useful for us because by using a dial you can change a certain value of anything into a specific value. For example, if you want to change the kilometers into meter, it will help you. And the same way, if you want to change kilometers into miles, it will also help you. And for other measurement values, you can use dial. So let's start it. First of all, go to insert and click dial. You can choose the design from there. Just click it and then drag your dial. You can change its color by going into format and you can change the color. Then you have to go to the manage project variables and give it a name feet, and then add another variable here by clicking plus sign and give it a name inches, as I am going to change the value of feet into inches, and this is a number variable and the default value will be 0, and here the default value should be 0, so click here and make the value 0. So now we have to put some triggers here. Before that, I am clicking the dial and I am going to change its design because I need its rotation into 360 and its end value you can make it 100 or more if you want, and then that's it. Here you can also change its rotation, like if you want to start it from there, from the top corner, so you can just rotate it to 0 degree. That's it. Now let's know what triggers you have to use for this. Before triggers, let's insert a text box here and write feet and inches. Make it bold and a little bit bigger, and also you can change the color. So here what we have to do, we have to go to insert and insert a reference here. For feet we have to insert feet. We have to click here. For feet we have to insert feet. Now for inches we have to insert inches. So we have to use two triggers here. The first one is adjust variable, set inches to a variable feet. When the dial turns to dial 1, there we don't need any condition, so we can delete it and press OK. And for here, the second one, as we know that 1 feet is equal to 12 inches, so we multiply inches by value 12 when the dial turns dial 1, and value we don't need any condition, so we delete it and then OK. So let's have a preview how it looks or how it works. So when you rotate the dial, the value turns. So if you want to know how many inches are there in 1 feet, just turn it and you can know, like 1 feet have 12 inches, and like that you can know any value. So try it for other things. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching.